I am a registered neuro ICU nurse. Been nursing 25 years.
I'm a registered ICU nurse. Been doing it for 32 years.
We have a truck that we drive back and forth to work. It had a warranty up to 60,000 miles, and it was 62,000 miles. There's a noise. It was major motor stuff.
Almost $3,000.
Get out of our pocket.
That's when we started looking for our service protection plan.
As ICU nurses, we have to be very diligent about everything. And so we had to do research to see which worked best for us. And CarShield, when we needed them, they were there.
CarShield is America's #1 auto protection company. Shield yourself from the unprecedented rise in costs of a breakdown before it's too late.
When our truck broke down, it was really nice when somebody steps up and helped us.
My job was to help people. And CarShield administrators, that's what they were. They helped us.
If our car breaks down, CarShield administrators have our back.
Plans through CarShield protect up to 5,000 parts and systems that make up your car. That's protection on your transmission, engine, steering system, and so much more.
We have grandchildren in Louisiana. We have grandchildren in Florida, and we like to see them every chance we get. With our plan through CarShield, we have unlimited miles, and we can visit our grandkids anytime we want to.
It's nice to know that we have a plan that's going to back our truck.
Plans also include 24/7 roadside assistance with courtesy towing, flat or damaged tires, lockouts, and rental car options.
CarShield gives you peace of mind. It's been worth every penny that we paid for it.
Get the CarShield guarantee and call now. Your rate will never go up and your coverage will never go down.
CarShield has exceeded our expectations.
CarShield gives me less stress when the car breaks down.
Call CarShield now. CarShield is America's #1 auto protection company, offering you even more for your money with the CarShield guarantee. Your rate never goes up and your coverage never goes down, no matter how many claims you have. Call 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554. 800-579-6554.